What up, bro?
Appreciate for popping out.
Got you.
Need some change, bro?
Nah, this for both
Appreciate
of us,
it, bro.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. I thought you guys would park up there, some parking spots up there.
Oh, it's more up there?
Yeah.
I bet.
It was more
more cars down here. Oh, okay. Oh, Mopars is down here.
Yeah. There's like the Mopar section over there. It's more on Fortune. Yeah. More Beamers. Okay. But appreciate for you guys popping out.
All right, you're ready, bro.
Okay, yo.
Anytime. Yo, bro, I was looking at this Hellcat, bro. Yo, bro, I came back. They said somebody bought it, bro. I was tight. Because this dead reminded me of my scat, bro. Same, what was this? Destroyer gray. With the red, bro. That's exactly how my scat was, bro. Niggas came back, said that shit was sold. I was tight. Be saying, dude. What's good, baby? How you? What's good?
Finally meet you, bro. I'm playing around.
I know. Compact crap, all that. Yeah, I know. Yeah, man. What's going on?
Yo, I looked to my left and that Saturn had me trippy. Right? I'm like, got the hood.
Wait, what? It's nothing in that shit?
Oh, no, bro.
It ain't nothing in that
That's
shit.
what I'm saying.
It ain't nothing in that shit. Ecotech. Yo, bro, I'm like, nah, ain't no way. They swapped the Saturn.
Same $2.
Yeah, nah, I gave him the cash.
I'm saying, bro, popped the hood like, yeah, we all got the same $2.
I gotta see this thing, man. That shit. Yeah, them shits is clean. You see it's half a plate in the front? That great, bro. Shit. Big Fox body. Yeah, that shit's tough. See the... Should do the hood too. Damn. Oh, my fault. Nah, he should do the hood too. This shit fire, damn. This one? I think I seen it too. See this color? Got his hood pop.
Where the fuck you did that? No. Right over the bridge? That second bridge.
That shit is clean as hell, bro. Yeah. It's mad random shit. Oh, yeah, good looking. Thank you. Thank you. ugly ass doing, boy?
Hey, it's Eddie Buzz. Make sure to follow, subscribe. If you don't, I'm gonna beat your ass like that. Bah, bah, like that. Don't fuck with us, homie.
Rims is OD. You got the B58 badge. Crowd control. got it blocked off. They got this shit blocked. Fuck a child boys, that me, man. God damn, this motherfucker was out.
I'm telling you, bro. When I cruise, I bring the whole gang,
Fucking
bro.
tell, let these motherfuckers know, man. We out in Mexico, bro. She was scared the whole time. Look at her.
We always
Is this?
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. This man right here, he's wild. He's wild.
That's on the street, bro.
This shit got crazy.
Every one of us, bro.
This shit got crazy. Got mad shit out here. Shit's is so fire, bro. R7. What up, bro? Tough. That shit fast as fuck. This shit is tough, right? Got some toys out here for y'all today.
Stop motherfucking playing, homie.
You
You cruise with us, you cruise with the gang. Ah! The adrenaline's still going on there.
Right, yeah, he don't stop, bro. He don't stop.